So far in this nutrition series, we have considered the importance of nutrition in health and performance, and we've identified the key nutrients to include. In this video, we will focus on food selection and the foods that will provide us with those key nutrients. For example, we talked about protein being an essential nutrient and its role in muscle protein turnover that will support recovery and improve long-term performance. We can get our higher quality protein from a number of sources, such as in lean meats like fish, seafood, poultry and beef, different dairy products such as milk, cheese, Greek yogurt. We may also want to include some plant-based proteins in our diet, such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and soya or mycoprotein-based meat alternatives. Making sure we get a variety of those foods will ensure we consume all the essential proteins our body requires. When it comes to carbohydrates, we have two main categories. Our starch-based carbohydrates, they're our more nutrient-dense sources, such as oats, grains, pasta, bread, rice, and potatoes. These foods will provide us with the complex carbohydrates that give us the fuel source to keep our bodies functioning throughout the day. We also want to ensure we consume a variety of fruits and vegetables, which provide energy, vitamins, minerals, and fibre. Lastly, opt for unsaturated fats that we find in nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flaxseed, oils and spreads, such as nut oils and vegetable oils like olive oil, and oily fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and trout. The key to food selection is getting a variety of all the main food groups. This is because variety will naturally provide us with all the essential vitamins and minerals our bodies require to function and to perform. Typically, many of us eat similar foods each day, and it may be that you need to expand your palate to include more variety over the course of the day or a week. A good guide is different colours, flavours, textures, and aiming to improve the balance of those key nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals, as well as ensuring you are well hydrated throughout the day.